to event, then free card room, then claim. So you have card for 6 hours. And after that, come here, lone wolf, then go to custom. Click on custom like this, then you click on create. If you put password there so that other people will not be able to join apart from people you add. Then you can either choose class squad or battle royale, but battle royale is class squad, you can still play solo 1v1, but battle royale is 48 players. We have other ones, but you can choose class squad. Class squad you can also be 2v1, 2v2, or ranging from 2 and above. So when we are together, you can just play class squad. So on that game, you can set the number of rounds you want, maybe 13. So let's just choose 13. Default coin, maybe starting in the 500 or 915, anyone. Maybe one special edge drop. Just everything is just your choice. You don't have to do all these ones. Movement speed, you can increase it, but you can leave to the default one. You look at the default. Okay, limited animal, you can start to choose no. 4 damage, you can start to down no. So the room. So I just solo. Let's say I'm playing with. Let's choose this and then confirm. Alright, now my you want to add. So you add the player.